Greetings! Today in our virtual studio, we are witnessing a phenomenon rarer than a total solar eclipse. My regular client has returned for a correction in exactly 30 days. Usually, our schedules are like two comets passing once in a century. For the entire past year, we only did pedicures. Why? Because as a luxury architect, I forbade her from getting a coating without regularity. Wearing gel polish for 8 weeks is like trying to keep a morning croissant fresh for a month. It is physically possible, but you will not like the result. Remember, we are here to build architecture, not bake pastries. My client is a pharmacist. She owns her own pharmacy and knows more about chemical compositions than many technicians. She does not need a lecture on why every polymer has an expiration date. Material grown out halfway is not savings. It is a dangerous lever that puts pressure on the natural nail plate. Liftings are the perfect luxury real estate for infections. It is dark, moist, and warm, a 5-star resort for mold to start a new life. That is why she chooses my individual service, a sterile craft bag, a personal file, and precision bits. In a world where you can accidentally get hepatitis as a gift with your manicure, we choose luxury sterile. Now, let us look at this macro footage. After a year without professional care, the cuticle acted like a moody teenager. It was stuck and refused to cooperate. I had to juggle bits, working at extremely low RPMs. Jewelry-like precision is mandatory to avoid disturbing the delicate skin. This is the soft touch technique. We lift the proximal fold as if we are restoring an ancient Manhattan facade. The result? Pure old money aesthetic. No screaming colors, just flawless architecture that whispers about status. By the way, she asked for a new ritual, peeling and hydration. Perhaps a wax wrap. What brand would you recommend for our elite club? So, do you think the stars will align again next month? I have already booked her slot because my window of availability closes faster than a penthouse sale. Write in the comments which spa treatment makes you feel like $1 million. And subscribe. We're on our way to 1 million followers. Join the elite who value architecture, or stay in the kitchen with the pastry chefs. See you in the next frame.